Hi, writers. I just wanted to send out a message telling you that I'm grateful that you're sticking around, that you're still in class, that you're still getting your work done or doing the best that you can. I wanted to remind you that next week is spring break, and even though times are very different than anything we've probably ever experienced regarding coronavirus and social distancing, that it's still time for a break. And that you can take a break and you can give your mind a rest. You can go outside and still exercise or hike or walk. That's really important during this time. So I just wanted to remind you of that in case you forgot. If you're staring at a computer too long, then you need to get out and take breaks. Set your timer so that you get a break every 10 minutes every hour, whatever your body needs, listening to your body. And I'll be around during spring break with my face-to-face classes that went fully online. My English VO1A classes here. We'll have a Zoom session on Wednesday to catch up with Ray. If you're in my fully online class, you guys are used to being fully online. You seem to be doing great. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to post them in the question discussion so I or someone else can answer that question for you. And don't forget, we have lots of resources. We have online tutoring through VC. The link is on our homepage, your homepage. We also have NetTutor, which is embedded into our courses on the left tab. You can see it. It says NetTutor. We have lots of resources for you to get assistance. Mental health services are also available through the college, through the health center. You have 6 free mental health sessions with a therapist. Take advantage of that as well. And be safe, eat healthy, feel good, listen to music, watch movies, play with your pets, love your kids, love your family, play board games, and enjoy the time that you have in the capacity that you have it. And have a great spring break. Take care.